Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vigna talking from Smilewords Dental Care. Today let's talk about the consequences of not replacing a missing tooth. So a tooth might have lost due to several reasons. So today let's talk on what happens if this lost tooth is not replaced. So when a tooth is lost, there is a gap present between the teeth. This teeth will tend to shift towards that gap. So eventually what happens, the plaque will be accumulated under these teeth and it will be difficult to clean such areas. So because of that, it would be difficult to maintain our oral hygiene. So it causes gum issues and eventually causes severe periodontal issues also. Also, when we chew with the teeth, this teeth applies force on the jaw, which stimulates the jaw and maintains the bone health and makes it dense. So when the tooth is lost, there is no force applied on the bone, which means there is no stimulation, such that the bone deteriorates and gradually causes bone resorption. So even if you want to go for implants to replace that tooth in future, so due to the inadequate amount of the bone present in the jaw, would be difficult for the placement of the implant. Also, when the adjacent teeth and the opposing teeth are shifting towards the gap present, so it causes chewing issues also. Also, the dentition would be disturbed such that it would causes unnecessary contacts and affects the muscles also, which causes severe dental issues. So what are the options we have to replace such missing tooth? We have two options. We have removable and we have fixed. Coming to the removable, as the name suggests, it can be removed and placed at will. It is cost effective and the procedure will be done very soon. It won't take much time. But coming to the disadvantages of removable dentures is that you need to remove, clean and then place. Also, sometimes while using the dentures, the food and the debris can be accumulated between the denture and the jaw. So this also be difficult to maintain the oral hygiene. Also, we will place the clasps on the adjacent tooth to maintain the denture at its place. Also, it may become loose sometimes or ill-fitting due to several reasons. So certain precautions should be taken while choosing removable dentures. When it comes to fixed dentures, we have two options. We have bridge or we have implants. When it comes to bridges in fixed option, in order to replace a tooth, we have to trim the adjacent tooth also, which are healthy. We need to trim them and we need to take support of the healthier tooth by trimming them, and we need to place the bridge. As it is fixed, we don't have any issue to remove and place it again. So it will be fixed once only. So the only issue is that the healthier teeth are also getting affected, which are otherwise healthy. So coming to implants, implants are the permanent solution which looks, feels and functions just as the natural tooth. We don't need any adjacent teeth to be trimmed in order to support the tooth which we are replacing. Also, implants are long lasting and durable. They might be expensive, but they are long lasting. So once if you go for an implant, it would last for 10 to 15 years. So a dental implant is a threaded made up of metal, usually titanium, which is biocompatible. So it is surgically placed inside the jawbone such that the bone grows around the implant. So upon the implant, after the bone growth and all, the abutment tooth is placed upon the dental implant. So these are the options we have to replace the missing tooth. In order to avoid such consequences like bone loss, gum issues, periodontal issues, improper oral hygiene, unusual contacts of the tooth, we have options to replace such tooth. So replace your lost tooth as soon as possible to avoid all these consequences. Thank you.